Welcome back for this video. I'm going to introduce Frigate and openVINO. So if you need to, you can skip till the first section where we're talking about installing. But this is replacing my TPU with openVINO, going away from Coral TPU by Google. It seems like it's a dead product. You can still buy the TPUs, but they're not supporting the drivers. This has actually been removed. The RPMs have been removed from openSUSE. Yeah, there's no support from Google on the drivers, so why use it? Install Docker and Portainer. That's a quick overview. If you need to, you can go and look at one of my other videos to see how to really install Docker and Docker Compose and Portainer. You need to worry about the SELinux. SELinux is newer. Tumbleweed has switched over to SELinux as the default security manager. Gone away from AppArmor. To use openVINO, you really need to use an Intel GPU. openVINO is by IBM. And so they've made their software work for their GPUs. There are other guides out there that can get AMD working with openVINO. I've never done that. On my Dell servers, they're desktop computers. They all have HD GPUs. The one that I'm installing on here is the 630, and I have another box that I believe is a 530 Intel GPU. It didn't work. I could not get openVINO to install, so you need to make sure that you install, or you have a box with the right graphics card. Simple install. Everything for openVINO is in YAST, or you can use Zipper to install it. You just need that openVINO devel right there. I have installed the sample. You do not need to install that sample if you don't want to. So just install openVINO development, and that's all it's required. It'll install everything else for you. And sample if you want to do that, then you hit accept. I'm not going to hit accept because it's already installed. So openVINO is definitely installed on Tumbleweed via YAST. No compiling, no separate installs. When there's an update, it's going to automatically give that to you. So I'm going to hit cancel. There we go. Docker and openVINO. You don't need to do Portainer. That's just my preference. So I just go into Portainer. I'm going to create a stack for Frigate. I'm not going to cover all the basics for Frigate and getting that up and running. If you need to, I will. Just put it in comments below and I'll build what I have. I'm just basically copying this from my Ubuntu server, moving from Ubuntu to Tumbleweed, just because openVINO is a package that's available. You don't have to do anything. Don't need that environmental variable. I don't know why I ever had it in there, but you know, I'm doing this live. And that's it. So now we're gonna test the installation. Right, Frigate is starting up. If you're using SELinux, you may have to do a command which I'll put in the comments below to allow portainer to work, or even openVINO. I do have to do the SELinux command to let openVINO work. It's just 2 lines, and it is every time you reboot. I'm trying to file a, I don't know, what do you call it, a notice that this is happening. So hopefully we can get this resolved for SELinux. You can see here, I'm just showing my cameras. I just noticed there's 5 cameras when I actually have 6, so get that worked out a later time. But so I was getting on my Google Coral TPU 30 on inference speed. And my Ubuntu was bare metal, so yeah. So if you look at, here's my bare metal compared to my openVINO, 51 to 19, the same cameras. So openVINO works. Freezing beer when Google Coral TPUs were 59 each when I bought them. I'm sure if I had a better Intel GPU, everything would work better. Like here I have, it's raining, you know. Frigate's kind of confused because it doesn't rain in California, and it was torrential downpour. I think there was like an inch of rain in a day. Yeah, so Frigate is really confused. It doesn't see that in California. So, and the CPU usage for this rain was actually not bad. It was only 55%. And as soon as the rain finished at the end of the day, it went down to normal, 19%. So openSUSE, everything just works. Yep, install it. It's worth it. Super easy. This whole install of this VM in Proxmox, 20 minutes. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.